Let us start with the next unit of 12th class, that is polymers, 15th unit. What are polymers? Polymers are the macromolecules formed by a combination of large number of small molecules these molecules are called as monomers under specific conditions. These conditions may be natural or they are artificial created conditions under which the polymers they are formed from the small molecules. They have repeating units. उनमें repeating units पाए जाते हैं. Then we have types of polymers. We can classify polymers on the basis of number one, nature of sources. कि पॉलीमर मिला कहाँ से है. इसमें दो तरह के पॉलीमर्स हैं, नेचुरल पॉलीमर्स obtained from nature. They are obtained from nature. Example, we have cellulose, we have starch. These are natural polymers, proteins, etc. Then we have synthetic polymers. They are also called as man-made polymers since they are synthesized in the lab. Example is polythene, PVC, Dacron, Bakelite. These are synthetic polymers. Then we have semi-synthetic polymers. These are actually the natural polymers, modified natural polymers. For example, vulcanized rubber, जो sticky rubber होती है, नाइज्ड rubber. जो natural rubber है, that is sticky and is having less resistant to abrasion. When it is heated with sulfur, it introduces sulfur cross links in the rubber chain. Therefore, the quality of rubber that get improved. So this semi-vulcanized rubber having sulfur cross links is actually semi-synthetic polymer. Then we have cellulose diacetate. It is also a semi-synthetic polymer. So this is first classification depending upon the sources. Whether polymers are obtained from nature, they are synthesized totally in the lab, or natural polymers, they are modified, they are called as semi-synthetic polymers. Then we have second division on the basis of structure. स्ट्रक्चर के आधार पे पॉलीमर्स को हमने क्लासीफाई किया है. लीनियर पॉलीमर्स, इसमें चार तरह के पॉलीमर्स बनाए गए हैं. लीनियर पॉलीमर्स आर दोज पॉलीमर्स where the monomeric units they are joined together linearly. For example, we have polythene. are joined together in a linear manner. So these are called as linear polymers. Then we have branched chain polymers. These polymers, they have side branches. They are actually linear polymers but having some branches which increases the magnitude of van der Waals forces among different polymeric chains. They have some side branches also. Which increases magnitude of van der Waals forces. एग्जाम्पल है पॉलीप्रोपीन, पॉलीस्टाइरीन, they are having side branches which increases the magnitude of van der Waals forces. So up to now linear polymers, straight chain polymers, polymeric chain, they are held by van der Waals forces. These are branch chain polymers having some branches which can increase the magnitude of van der Waals force between these polymeric chains. Then after linear polymers we got branch chain polymers. So polymers, up to now we have discussed in this class two types of polymers. They are linear and branch chain polymers along with examples. Then we come to cross-linked polymers. Cross-linked polymers have the polymeric chains joined together by certain cross links which improves the quality of polymer. Polymer becomes very hard and it becomes very stable due to cross links, and the melting and boiling point of the polymer that also increases. So cross-linked polymers are those polymers where different polymeric chains, they are joined together by means of some cross links. For example, we have bakelite cross-linked polymer है जिसमें different units they are joined together by means of some groups, cross-linked polymers. So cross-linked polymers, in these polymers monomeric units are cross-linked together to form three-dimensional network structure. Example है bakelite and melamine. They are cross-linked polymers. These are used in the preparation of hard articles, plastic articles, combs हैं, कैसेट कवर्स हैं, और इसी तरह CD है, और जो मेलेमाइन है अनब्रेकेबल क्रॉकरी बनाने में इस्तेमाल होती है. तो ये तीन तरह के पॉलीमराइज सिस्टम के अनुसार. Then we have third system of classifying polymers depending upon nature of forces. In polymeric chains, polymeric chains में nature of forces कैसी हैं? इसमें पहली क्लास जो आती है that is elastomers. These polymers are somewhat elastic, just like rubber. When they are pulled, they increase their dimension. When the deforming force is off, they try to come in their original state. So these polymers which have elastic character, just like the rubber, and are called as elastomers. इनको elastomers कहा जाता है. In elastomers, polymeric chains are held together by weak van der Waals forces, and due to which they can be usually stretched. उनको easily stretch किया जा सकता है, and they can regain their original state when the deforming force or stretching force is off. Example है natural rubber. So this is first type of polymer according to this system. अगर हम इन पॉलीमर्स में, इलास्टोमर्स में क्रॉस लिंक इंट्रोड्यूस कर दें तो इनकी क्वालिटी और भी उम्दा हो जाती है, और भी बढ़िया हो जाती है. जैसे कि एग्जांपल है द क्वालिटी ऑफ इलास्टोमर्स की हम पहले बात कर रहे हैं. द क्वालिटी ऑफ इलास्टोमर्स कैन फर्दर बी इम्प्रूव्ड. उसको हम इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं बाय इंट्रोड्यूसिंग क्रॉस लिंक्स. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे नेचुरल रबर जो स्टिकी होती है, लेस रेजिस्टेंट टू एब्रेशन होती है, जब उसको सल्फर पाउडर के साथ गर्म किया जाता है ऑन हीटिंग विथ सल्फर पाउडर 2 से 3% लेते हैं ये, इंट्रोड्यूसेस क्रॉस लिंक्स ऑफ सल्फर and makes it more elastic. Properties they get improved. तो ये पॉलीमेरिक चेन आपके पास चली जा रही है रबर की, और बीच में सल्फर क्रॉस लिंक इंट्रोड्यूस हो जाते हैं. They improve the quality of the elastomers. Then we have second type of polymer, they are called as fibers. Fibers, these are the hydrogen, these are the polymers. Where different polymeric chains are held together by hydrogen bonds. एग्जाम्पल है नाइलॉन्स 6,6, नाइलॉन 6,10, nylon 6. They all have hydrogen bonding between different polymeric chains. So what are fibers? These are the polymer which have strong intermolecular forces between the different polymeric chains. These polymers possess hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bond का होना जरूरी है, और dipole-dipole interaction can also be there between different chain. Polymers have sharp melting points. They are used in the preparation of fibers. इसमें सिल्क, नाइलॉन की तीनों वैरायटी इसमें आती हैं. Then we have next variety of polymers, that is thermoplastic polymers. Thermoplastic polymers क्या हैं? ऐसे पॉलीमर which lose their shape on heating. हीट करने पे अपनी शेप को लूज कर जाते हैं and they become hard on cooling. तो ऐसे पॉलीमर्स को थर्मोप्लास्टिक पॉलीमर्स कहते हैं. These are the polymer which can be easily softened, जिनको आसानी से गर्म करके सॉफ्ट बनाया जा सकता है. Repeatedly they can be used repeatedly, उनको अब बार बार यूज़ किया जा सकता है. And on heating they become softer, on cooling they become harder, and also show little change in their property. They do not have any cross link between their polymeric chains. Example, polythene. PVC. जब इनको हीट किया जाता है, आप पॉलीथीन को कभी हीट करें, यू विल फाइंड इट विल श्रिंक. और आप ज़्यादा देर हीट करें, श्रिंक करके मेल्ट कर जाएगी. मेल्ट करके जब आप इसको कूल डाउन करेंगे, इट विल गेट सॉलिडिफाइड इनटू ए हार्ड मास. पॉलीस्टाइरीन भी इसी में आता है, PS, टेफ्लॉन भी इसी में आता है. ये सारे पॉलीमर्स जो हैं, दे कम अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ थर्मोप्लास्टिक्स. देन वी हैव थर्मोसेटिंग पॉलीमर्स. फोर्थ क्लास ऑफ दिस इज थर्मोसेटिंग पॉलीमर्स. इसमें क्रॉस लिंक पॉलीमर्स आते हैं जो हमने पहले सिस्टम में किए हुए थे. These are the polymer which undergo permanent change on heating, and on cooling they also become hard, infusible, They are generally prepared from substances of low molecular mass and or the monomers which are semi-fluid in nature. On heating they acquire large number of cross link, उनमें बहुत सारे क्रॉस लिंक पैदा हो जाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल है बेकेलाइट एंड मेलेमाइन फॉर्मल्डेहाइड रेजिन. So they are thermosetting polymers. Then we have plasticizers. So this is all about the classification of polymers. Now we come to the plasticizers. What are plasticizers? Plasticizers, these are the substances which are added to the polymer to improve their qualities. The substances which when added to the thermostatic polymer, thermoplastic polymer, these polymer do not get easily softened. ये पॉलीमर की सॉफ्टनेस को कम कर देते हैं, उसको हार्ड बनाते हैं. ये मॉलिक्यूल जो हैं दे आर कॉल्ड एज प्लास्टिसाइजर. जैसे डाई अल्काइल थैलेट है, डाई अल्काइल क्रिसोलेट है, और ये कंपाउंड प्लास्टिसाइजर के रूप में यूज होते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन थर्मोप्लास्टिक एंड थर्मोसेटिंग पॉलीमर? थर्मोप्लास्टिक में पॉलीथीन एक बड़ा अच्छा एग्जांपल है. थर्मोसेटिंग में हमारे पास बेकेलाइट एक बहुत बढ़िया एग्जांपल है. तो अगर हम बात करें थर्मोप्लास्टिक्स की, दे कैन बी रिपीटेडली यूज. थर्मोप्लास्टिक जो पॉलीमर है उनको बार बार इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है बाय सॉफ्टनिंग, बाय हीटिंग एंड बाय हार्डनिंग, बाय कूलिंग विदाउट एनी चेंज इन देयर प्रॉपर्टीज. जो पॉलीथीन है लोग इकट्ठे करके ले जाते हैं, दे आर रीप्रोसेस्ड और उनको दोबारा पॉलीथीन उनसे बना दिया जाता है. इसी तरह से जो प्लास्टिक आइटम्स हैं जो पॉलीथीन के डेरिवेटिव से बनी है, दे कैन आल्सो बी रिसाइकल्ड. उसके बाद अगर हम बात करें, इनमें अगर चेंज भी होगा थोड़ा बहुत प्रॉपर्टी में तो टेम्परेरी चेंज होता है. इनके रिसाइकलिंग के दौरान कोई परमानेंट चेंज नहीं होता. But thermosetting polymer on heating they undergo a permanent change in the property of the polymer and they become hard heating followed by cooling. So these polymer they cannot be remolded. You might have seen electric switches, they cannot be remolded. Once they are broken they are to be thrown away, they cannot be recycled again. So thermoplastic polymer they can be recycled, they can be rebuilt from the original or used damaged articles, but thermosetting polymer they cannot be prepared from the damaged articles or the waste articles. So this is the major difference between these two polymers. Then we'll do the polymerization, its types and mechanism of polymerization. Thank you very much.